Mic 10. Overloading. Overloading.
We know. I'm a FIBA coaching instructor. Our group is called the First Coach. It's a Christian-based group. We preach the word. In Nyanza and Western. So we've had a good turnout, at least 40-50 coaches. And we are basically teaching them game management and how to coach the fundamentals, that is shooting, passing, dribbling, and so on. The tournament, we are going to have a Nyanza Slam Jam tournament on March 2nd and 3rd, which is sponsored by the Eliud Owalo Foundation. And the theme of that tournament is to empower youngsters, to empower young people with talent. Is like a talent identification to see that maybe they will get scholarships. And it's also about unity. The tournament is also about unity, that sports brings us together. So in the Slam Jam, Nyanza Slam Jam tournament for schools sponsored by the Eliud Owalo Foundation, we will have a total of 13 top teams boys and 13 top teams girls. That is from last year's school competition, and the tournament will be held at the sports ground here, 2 courts, at Kisumu boys, Kisumu girls, and Maseno. That will be on the first day on Saturday, March 2nd. March 3rd, we will have the semis and the finals held at the sports ground here, and all the teams, competing teams, will get uniforms, branded uniforms from the Eliud Owalo Foundation, and trophies, and there will be cash awards as well. So I think it will be a good opportunity to see the top players in Nyanza at the school play, with a good incentive, because the foundation has offered cash awards and has offered
Acio mbitika-ini cia chess gikiro-ini kia mathukuru ni ati